Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy at home easy, updated. Start by collecting pan drippings or using a good quality broth. Strain to remove solids and save fat. Whisk in a roux or add a slurry slowly while simmering to reach desired thickness. Taste and finish with salt, pepper, and a splash of acid for brightness. Keep warm and stir occasionally before serving to maintain silky texture. Gather tools and ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. A heavy skillet or saucepan and a whisk make thickening simple, while a fine mesh strainer ensures a silky result. Measure broth and flour in advance and have fat from pan drippings or butter ready. Small additions like herbs or cream are easy to fold in at the end for extra depth without complicating the method. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers for storing leftover gravy or portions of sauce without spills, and they stack neatly in the fridge for easy reheating. They also save time when you want to portion servings for later. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat pan drippings or butter, then deglaze with broth while scraping brown bits for maximum flavor. Make a roux by cooking flour briefly in fat, or mix a slurry and whisk it into simmering liquid a little at a time. Keep stirring until gravy thickly coats a spoon, then simmer 2 to 3 minutes to cook out raw flour taste. Finish by tasting, adjusting seasoning, and straining if you want a perfectly smooth texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.